Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create the object shown in the figure. So total dimension of the base plate is 50 by 62 and the base plate is having the height as 16. So we'll go to the option new, then part, then use default template should be off and go to MMNS part solid. So the new window is open. Now select the top plane and go to the option extrude. So we'll try to create a base plate first. So go to the option that is a sketch view and then the center rectangle. So we can create a rough shape first and the dimension that is 50 by 62 we will create it and then extrude it to a distance of 16. So this one we will take it as 50 and the total length we will take it as 62 and click on OK button, and then the extruded we will have to extrude it so that the base plate is created. So it is 16 and click on OK. So we will select the top surface so that again we can draw a vertical plate onto it. Go to the options that is sketch view. So now we will have to see how to extrude it onto a vertical plate. So this complete object we will be covering in two tutorials. So this is part 1 and part 2 will be separate uploaded. You will be able to see its link in the description only. Now this vertical plate, it is of total 42 minus 16, so 26 will have to do the extrude and width of the plate is 20. So we will take the reference line onto the left side so that we will be able to create a rectangle properly, so that there will be a proper coincidence in between the edges. Now which side is 62, we will again check it through this measure analysis, measure length. Now again go to the model tab. Okay, so this is the top plane where we are going to do the extrude command, and click on the option sketch view. So this is the top line, left line and right line, that is for the references we have selected, and in the rectangle we will select corner rectangle so that it will pick up the corner properly, and its width is 20 that we have seen. See, once again cross check it, 20 is the width, and on a larger face that is 62 we have to create it. Okay, now this extrude option, so we need to extrude it by a distance of 26 above the base plate. Okay, now click on the OK button. So now we have created this L shape. Now we'll see how to create the ribs. So this front portion, that is L shape, plane I have selected, and go to the option sketch view. Again we need to select the reference lines. Close it and go to the option that is line. So select the two corners. We will create a rectangle first and then we can extrude it. So once the rib is created on the left side, if you use the mirror command, we can simply have the ribs on both sides. So the thickness of rib, it is 9. Here I am taking it 6. I will show you in the next video that how to make it 9 by going into the edit option. So even after doing the extrude command, we can modify it by going into a edit option. So now here I am taking its mirror about a plane. So simply selected the extrude option and go to the option that is mirror. So in sketch view you will be able to see. Now we will see how to create a slot. So to create a slot, first we will try to understand what is its dimension. So it is 15 by 15 slot and the total slot is of 30. So we will try to create half of the portion and then we can mirror it. So go to the option that is line. So from the center, this is the good thing which happens when we use the center rectangle as the command, so that always we can use the symmetry option. So take this as 15. Now the angle is 45, so automatically the second side will come as the 15. I'm simply trying to measure it. So it is 15 by going into the dimension normal tab. So we can mirror it and then extrude it so that the slot will be created in a triangular shape. So this one is half exactly at the center. So this is a part 1 of the object, and second link will be available in the description, so which will lead you to the complete part. So hardly it is taking 15 minutes to do it by using these symmetric options and by using this technique. So you can learn on this channel how to model it fast, because as a fresher when you are cracking any interview, so the best model you are drawing within the minimum time is important. So without mistake, but the drawing should also get completed within minimum time. So that is our objective. Now we'll see, we will create a center line about which we are going to use the mirror command. So first you need to select the two lines which you need to mirror, and center line should be created prior to it, and go to the option mirror. So see on the bottom side it will ask that about which line, about which axis. So that axis we need to select first. Okay. So now the extrude command is done. So simply we need to remove the material. So if you click on this portion option, so remove all the surfaces. So thus we have created it. Now a slot on the base plate plus a notch on the base plate is still we have to complete. So in the next video you will see how to create a notch. Similar commands you will have to use, but since the object is not completed, I will complete it in the next video. Okay. So see here, if you switch off the planes, then the geometry will be visible more properly. Thank you.